everybody, welcome to T and Shawenda's TV. I'm Shawenda and welcome back to another month. Yes. Today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That way y'all will be notified when we upload a new video. Alright? So if you aren't new, welcome back. We appreciate y'all coming back. And yeah. But anyways, what we have here is I had some salad and I got some baked cream mushroom chicken. Cream of mushroom chicken, but baked chicken. And I got basically everything on my salad. I got cucumbers, tomato, got 2 eggs on the side. Cheese, tomato, bell pepper, and some few nuts on there. So we're gonna get right into it, and we're about to pray. All right. Amen. So, Bae had cooked up she made her own dressing. This is some dressing. For one thing, I'm doing my weight loss journey, okay? I will show before and after picture. I decided, I said I want to lose some pounds. So, I was trying to figure out what I was going to do with this channel, you know, so we're going to keep this channel, but I'm just going to do most of my weight loss time, you know. I'm still going to do the mukbang, but it's going to be healthy stuff. So, I got some cucumbers, some lime in here, and just some water. Good refreshment. Anyways, yeah, Babe had cooked up some dressing for me. This got lemon, or and some lime squeezed up in it, and a little lemon pepper and some more other stuff she whipped up in it. But this is more health. That dress is more healthier than all the other like wench and all that. So I'm about to pour some of this. Okay. And I got some banana pepper. It's a list that we have to go by, what to eat, what not to eat. So I'm on I just started a special diet. So dressing good. This is way better than wench. Yeah. Yeah, I got some of everything on my salad. So, how I'm doing this diet is, it's this tea. We have to take the tea, drink the tea 3 times a day, and gotta drink the tea before you eat. I will tell y'all a little bit more about this tea once I post my results and show y'all. But anyway, we drink like 3 times a day. With the tea, we drink in the morning, around lunch, and dinner. So There's certain stuff I can't eat now. Can't have no bread. Can't have junk. We had like boiled eggs and stuff like that. No beans. It's just a lot I had to cut back. I'm already cut back on my drinks. I ain't had no drinks over a year now, so I have to drink stuff that ain't got no sugar in it. Everything got to be zero. So there's gonna be some healthy stuff on this channel, but T, she'll probably be doing a lot of other stuff on this channel too. You know, she still do a mukbang, but me, I'm gonna be doing the healthy stuff. I'm doing this weight loss journey. I think I could do it. I think I could do it. But let me know in the comments. We could eat any kind of meat. We could eat like steak, hamburger, but if I do a hamburger, it have to be without the bread. It could be, I mostly like my burger baked. I like it like basic baked. I think I could eat my salad like this with this dressing. This dressing good. But French do have a lot of fat in it. I got everything in it. I love, like I said, this got cucumber and lime in it. And certain areas, I want to lose weight and kind of, I'm very serious about my health now, and I put myself on a diet. So, but yeah, she got this tea called Self in a Little Cup of Tea or something like that. But like I said, I don't want to talk about too much about the tea. I want to, I'll show y'all my results. Yeah, I just got started. Today. So, I think it's gonna work really fast with me because I used to be athlete. I used to did track and basketball, all that. So it ain't gonna take no time for me. Got cucumber. Banana pepper. I tell you, it's a lot of stuff we can't eat, like chips, cookies, pasta, beans, bread, anything they got like a high, I think it's the carbs that we have to watch out for. They have to be, can't be more than 5 grams. So hey, cream of chicken good. Anyway, I will be doing healthy meals on here. But, you know, T feel like she want to do a mukbang. She can do any food that she like. Enough of that. But, sorry for the upload this week. I know I missed 2 videos. Trying to get some stuff done. But I appreciate y'all tuning in. I need to give me an empty wench bottle and have T make some more of this and fill that wench bottle up with this. That's a good dressing. There'll still be some good stuff on this channel here, you know. So, but anyways, I'm about to tune out. Alright. And I just want to come on here and show my face and everything. I'm just going to eat this last little bit here. Thank y'all for tuning in to T Insurance TV. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright? And peace. See y'all. Bye.